Welcome to this short unboxing and review of HASEGAWA's US Aerospace ground equipment set in 70-second scale. I just finished building the US aircraft weapon loading set, and these aircraft in action kits from HASEGAWA are a great addition for any display of military airplanes, even though they date back to the 80s. I will do a quick unboxing of this and show you what I already finished later on. Let's start with the manual, which is printed in black and white. And here we already see the decals, which should give those vehicles some more detail. I would recommend cutting close to the actual decal because the carrier film is quite large, which can cause some problems in small areas. Other than that, I did not have any issues with them. Next up we get some basic safety instructions, and over here all the building instructions for the different vehicles and equipment. First we see this air conditioner where we need to use the cord and spring provided with the kit. Down here is the generator which I already built. I will show it to you in a minute. I also had to use the cord here. Next up is the lighting unit. Then a high pressure compressor. Here the F4B fire extinguisher, a wheel choke, the tool wagon, and finally a hydraulic test stand, which also needs some cord. Furthermore, we get 4 figures with this kit, 2 operators, a conductor and maintenance crew. On the back of the manual we find instructions for the decals and painting. The manual refers to Ganze paint, but I will use the NATO olive from Revell Aquacolor series. There is also the option of opening or closing certain hatches on the equipment. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the layout of the manual. Now let's take a look on the parts. The kit comes with 2 springs and some vinyl cord for cables and tubes. There is a total of 3 sprues. Here you can see the sprue A with the parts for the air conditioner and generator. Nicely detailed surfaces, and there is no flash. Sprue B with the compressor and lighting unit. And finally sprue C with the parts for the hydraulic test stand and the fire extinguisher and tool wagon, which I already built. Furthermore, the 4 figures, which are also very detailed for such a small scale. If you have any tips on painting faces in 70-second scale, please leave a comment. I'm having some difficulties with that. So here are the 2 operators, a conductor, and the maintenance crew over here. All in all, a very good kit, clear recommendation from me so far. I already finished the fire extinguisher. I just did a bit of dry brushing and used the wash. Same with the tool wagon. Those shelves inside are cut out of the box of the kit. Finally, the generator, where I used the vinyl cord and spring from the kit. It went together good, and I really like the decals for the dials and switches. Of course, you can still bend the cord the way you like it, so overall that's a quite nice touch. So this should give an impression how the US Aerospace ground equipment set will look like together with the US aircraft weapon loading set back here. I know it's not accurate, but I will also use it to display non-US aircraft. After all, other nations are using similar equipment, I guess. And I know that a couple of you guys are waiting for my video about the digital Sukhoi 27 flanker, so here is a quick sneak peek. Now that I got some equipment to put next to it, I can finally start a photo shoot and the video will be finished soon. While you wait, why don't you just check out my Facebook page, Starfish Scale Modeling, to stay tuned on what I do. So that's it for this video, thanks for watching and bye.